You're welcome, guys. This is module 3 of the data processing complete package. This course is available. If you want to buy it single, just this only Microsoft Word course, or if you purchase the 3-month data processing complete course, it's also part of it. So we want to discuss Microsoft Word and introduction. Microsoft Word 2013 is a word processing program, like we have told you. It's a word processing program that is used to create professionally looking documents. So when we create documents, we want to type in like reports, like resumes, letters, memos, and newsletters. You want to create your CV. So it includes many powerful tools that can be used to easily create and edit documents and collaborate with others. So in this hangout, we provide an overview of the Word 2013. So that's the version we had 2013. We actually have 203, 207, 2010, 205, then 2013, 2010, 2013, 2016, and but we actually picked this one 2013 because it's not just the connection between the 2003, 207, then 2010, and the 2016, 2020, 2022. So if you learn this, you'll be able to work around the interface of uh, the newly released versions like 2016, 2020, 2022. And also you'll be able to work around the interface of the previous version, which is 205, 203. That's why we chose this particular one. And then you can this you with this training and this course, you will learn how to create, how to save, how to open, how to close, how to edit, how to format, printing of documents, applying of styles, and you get help. So this is the table of content as we have in the intro video. So let's move now into the course. Before you can actually work in Microsoft Word, you should learn how to open the document, how to find yourself around it, and how you can actually work around it. So click on your office window button, click on your window button, go to all apps, you scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, you see Microsoft Office. Like I told you, it's a suite. Microsoft Office is a suite why that has a different other Microsoft packages. So in this suite, we have Access. Access is used for database. Excel is for spreadsheet. And then we have Outlook is for email. PowerPoint is for presentation. Publisher is for publication. And this is Word 2013. So you click on it to launch it. So by the time you are launching it, this is where we're going to see you see your recent documents and you see your templates, different templates. I'll just pick and edit it. For example, annual report, original resume, original report, original origin letter, origin report, student report, timeless. We have different uh templates around here. What 10, 20, what 2010 look, but we are going to pick the blank document. So this is what we'll be working around today. So if you want to start, click on start button, click on all programs. Another reason is if you didn't see it there, you can come here, your search button and press word or win word. So you press win word, you can actually see it here. So sometimes you go for interview, they will remove it from that the first place that I showed you. They will, but for you to actually be able to locate it, you just click on search button and type word there, you will see it there. So that's how to start word from the start menu. Let's go to the next slide. The next one, this is the interface. When we open it, I think I just told you. So from here, you click on blank document and we want to look at the overview now. What we have here, what is a quick access toolbar, the ribbons, the title bar, the cursor, document window, the scroll bar, the status bar, the navigation pane. So those are the things that we want to look into now. So let's go there, guys. So when you launch your Word version, what you're going to see is you are going to see your tab list. For example, home tab, insert tab, design tab, page layout tab, reference tab. So these are referred to as a tab list, as we can see here. So the title bar, the ribbon, so the tab list. So the title bar is up. By default, it's always document one. So the title bar shows you, you can see document two and Word. It's telling you that you are working with Microsoft Word. That's Word, the name of the software, and the documents, document two. So document one or document two, those are the default names the when Windows OS gives to Microsoft Word when you open it, until when you save it another name. So it will update that document one or two and give another name that you used to save it and replace it with it. So these are our ribbon. By the time you move on home tab, you see that the sub menu or the sub ribbon will change. We now have different groups. We have this clipboard, font, paragraph group, styles group, editing group. That's how to change around it. So let's look at the next one. We have our navigation bar. You may not see it, so you don't put here. You can now click on navigation page. So this is navigation page from view. So this navigation page, if you want to navigate between pages, we only have one page now. So that is what navigation page is used for. The next one, we'll talk about the cursor. So the cursor that is blinking, it tells you that where this cursor is blinking, whenever it's anywhere it blinks, is where the text that you enter is going to come out. So for example, I'll say word, you see that is where it is. So this blinking is called cursor, and this is our document. uh you can see this is our document. We call it documents in Microsoft Word. In Excel, we call it worksheets. When you get to module 3, module 4, you're going to learn that. So the next we're going to look into is our with cursor. We talk about cursor, we talk about windows, our scroll bars. So in scroll bars, we have the horizontal scroll and we have the vertical scroll. So this is the vertical scroll. Click on it, hold it, and drag it down. Click on it, hold it, and drag it down. So or you just click this arrow, so it comes down. Just click this arrow, it comes down. It comes down. So by the time you have a very big what is it called? By the time you have a very big page, you can actually see that this way. Let me zoom it out. The So we have the horizontal now to scroll to it. So this is the horizontal. If I read, this is zoom slider. So I'm zooming it. You can see this 120%. If I take it to 110, you can just click on this and drag it here and there. So that's zoom slider. After this zoom slider this side, but this is scroll bar. The status bar also is there. In our status bar, what we have here, this is telling us like page one of one. In this page one of one, in this page one of one, we have one word because I've just typed in one word. So if I to remove it, we have 0 words. So this is telling us our information. The language is English, United Kingdom, and no macros. So that's what we have around there. Let's go to the next slide. So we have the title bar, we have quick access toolbar, we have ribbon, navigation pane, document window, cursor, scroll bar, and status bar. And what we do, so the title bar, so that I won't waste our time, you can actually read from the slides, but I will. The major reason for this video is just to show you. So let's go and look into some of these things. So we have the file, the home file. Once you click on that file, this is where you want to open the new documents. This is where if you want to open the one you have already worked on before. If you are saving, you navigate to where you want to save it. If you want to print, you see, send it to printer by clicking on this arrow bar. You come back to the your work environment. Then let's go to the next slide. So the ribbon, of you can read around this. So dialog box, you can read around that. Then we have this ribbon, the groups. So let's look into what we have there in our home tab. This is the first side, is the font. So font is the appearance of a particular text or of an object or something from the Latin words. So how you want it to look, you want it to be bold, you want it to be italic, you want it to be underlined, you want to increase the font, the size, you want it to be big, the type of font, So this is the group that actually uh, make it possible for us to navigate through the features of a font. And this is paragraph. We have alignment, center, left, alignment, right, alignment, justify. We have the spacing, we have the filling, we have the sorting. So this is under paragraph group, and we have the styles. You want to do heading. So also under insert, we have the table. These are what we're going to be using in this what's it called, in this course. So let's move on. The design, the reference, the home. That's so the next one on the quick access toolbar. This the quick access toolbar is actually used for the quick access toolbar is used to just do some is at the right top corner here. So that's where the quick access toolbar is located. You can see it now. You want to save, you want to save it, you want to do some work. So that's what the quick access toolbar does for you. So that's what it does, the quick access toolbar. From there, we move on to the next one we'll talk about. So let's talk about the next one. We have the menu toolbar, the short menus. Then we also have the navigation pane that I've discussed now. Navigation pane, the backstage view. The backstage view is when you click on file. This is the backstage view. You click on the file again to the arrow back to return again. From there, let's look into this to create a new document, which we have just demonstrated now. Click on the back stage file. So you got here, you click on blank documents. We have demonstrated it. Saving your documents. If you want to save these documents now, click on file. So once you click on file, you click on save. For the first time, if you are saving for the first time, it is always good for you to click on save as. So here you want to save it to this. This is computer. This is online. So I'm clicking on save on computer. Then I'm browsing where I want to save it. So I want to save these documents to desktop. And under desktop, I want to select business. After business, I double click on it. I want to save to MSI IT solution. And after that, I will still want to save it into subfolder Microsoft in Word. For example, I want to save it on lecture slide. I still want to put it under Word. So, and I want to change name here. I will put let me say tutorial. So I want to say tutorial. Then I want to click on save. So that is how to save.